Okay, we're walking on the other side of the castle wall. This side is still on the seaside portion. Now, as you observe, this castle is built on mountain stone, solid. And on the right side, you have residences. Okay, but inside here you have residences, no? They have open space here. Oh, there's a boat. There's a boat. Okay, it's open area. Still drinking their local beer, Karlovacko. Somebody's taking picture here. In that area. Oh, what are they doing? Yan natin dito. What type of tree is this? Yung kahoy. So if you observe this, the outer perimeter wall of the castle is protecting the city inside, because the city has been subject of attack for hundreds of years by different empires. No, the more prominent ones, of course, are the Ottoman, even their neighboring na mga empires, Austrian, Hungary, empire pa lang kinukalaki. Yeah, lakad tayo. Grabe, ha? Very scenic talaga to. Ang ganda. Itong city of Dubrovnik daw, Dubrovnik, it's a Catholic city, Christian city, but they're close sa mga Ottomans. They're never subject of attack because para siyang trading ground also for the Ottoman Turks. And there's a boat there. Lakad tayo while walking, enjoying cold Karlovacko beer. Let's go. Open area. Wow. Ganda. Paikot to. Huh? We're, I think, 3/4, no, of the portion of the perimeter wall. Dito pa yung they're here. Kasama ko, naiwan.